Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How are you guys doing today? If you're new here, please turn on hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video you will be notified. And here I want to quickly make plantain chips. So I'm using unripe plantain. They are really unripe. I think it's the packing that give it this color. It's not ripe, so it's still very strong. So if you want to make your plantain chips, you will need unripe plantain. Some might still prefer to use ripe plantain, so I'm using just 2 strands. I'll keep this one safe. I'm going to keep it so that it does not ripe. So you need to do just quickly peel the back. This knife is very sharp, so you need to be careful with your knife so that it doesn't cut your hand. So you just peel your plantain like this. Some persons like to apply oil on their palms so that the plantain juice doesn't stick on their hands, but I'm not actually making much. I don't think anything is going to stick on my hands. I'm only using 2. Please remember to hit the subscription button. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. If you don't like it, thank you for watching. I hope you will check more of my videos and find the one you like to give us a thumbs up. Like, share, comment. If you have maybe another alternative way of making your own plantain chips, please feel free to share your idea. Plantain, I want to use this grater and it's very long like this, so let me just cut it in half. Let me wash. After cutting like this, our plantain is neat and clean now. Slice your plantain. You might use this. I'll be using this side. Like this. The plantain don't need to be that thick so that it can be crispy. If you don't even have this grater, you can use your knife. Let's see, you can just use your knife and gently do a thin slice like this. That is if you don't have the grater. You see it? You see, you can just use your knife and do a very thin slice. Gently do it like this. So I like giving people option of alternative. You will not say, oh, I want to make plantain chips but I don't have grater. You can use your knife and give it a tiny slice so that you can make your own plantain chips. Make for your kids, make for yourself. Children love plantain chips a lot. My kids have been bothering me, make plantain chips for them. In fact, it's out of the worry now that I even entered the kitchen. Ordinarily, I'm very tired. Okay, so here, very tiny slice. Then for your grater, you just place it and do like this. So we are done slicing. See how it looks. These are the slice of it. So you can even make it longer, you can make it shorter, maybe shorter like this if you want. You can make it longer than this, but the frying pot I'm using is not that spacious, so I'm just using this length. So the next thing, just a sprinkle of salt. Some might still decide to add a sprinkle of seasoning cube. Oil, you can just kind of add something to flavor it up. So what I do add is like onions. You kind of add more flavor to the oil. That's what the onions do. It's flavored up. If you like, you can remove this leave it there to continue cooking. It's time to add your plantain slice. So I'm adding it one at a time. I don't want it to stick to each other. To add much into the, or compared to the oil you have, the plantain will settle at the bottom of the frying pot. Either you're using frying pan or you're using a pot, and it will burn. But if you just add maybe little lesser than the oil you have, it will help the plantain to float in the oil. So it will float in it so that it will have a good fry. Once you fry and you notice that the plantain is no longer bringing out bubbles, know that it's properly dry. So what you do is just to take it out and put it in a sieve. I'll put it in a sieve. Take out these onions. They are properly dried so that it doesn't change the aroma of the oil. Take them out. It has given us its total flavor and its total aroma. Guys, we are done frying our plantain crispy chips like this. I kind of try to put them in my plate. My towel paper. I place them here for final absorption. I will absorb the rest of the oil on the chips. So here we go. We are done. So you can now make your own crispy, tasty plantain chips. Wow, so delicious. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to give this video a thumbs up. Leave your question, or if you have any question or need further clarification, leave it in the comment section below so that we can kind of have your own opinion on how to make these plantain chips. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't done so, so that you will be notified, and turn on the bell so that you will be notified next time I upload a new video. So thank you so much for staying around. let's enjoy.